Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, my Lulila. Another cooking episode, and we are going to cook pork humba. So the pork that I'm gonna be using is the rib part. But usually I always use the pork belly or the pork pata. So first we need to clean the meat and then cook it without using oil on a heated pan and wait for it until it will become golden brown. Once it turned golden brown, remove it from the pan, and it's time for us to saute our garlic and onions. Put the meat back to the pan and add in the soy sauce. Add water and cover it. Let it cook until the meat is tender. It will take about an hour. So as you can see, it's almost cooked. So it's time to add the other ingredients. We will add bay leaves to the humba. This will give a distinct flavor to it. And also whole peppercorn. It's time to add the pineapple juice. And season it with salt. Add in your vinegar. Let it boil and add the sugar. The meat is already very tender. It's almost cooked. Since I don't have the banana blossoms, I'm going to use spring onions as a substitute for that. So here is our finished product, our pork humba.